Hey there world, welcome to another one. We're on our way to Harbor Freight today. I'm getting a tool or two or three so that I can do the goddamn valve adjustment on my motorcycle. I don't know, man. I've been watching videos. I think I can do it. I'm a little, you know, it's a job, I think. And it's funny, none of the videos seem to be mentioning or talking about, should I go straight here? I guess I could go a little bit of a roundabout way. I don't really want them to, I don't want to follow them. I was going to take a right, but we won't. So, yeah, I mean, it doesn't look like that difficult of a job. What I've seen everybody say on like Reddit and stuff like that is the job itself takes like 15 or 20 minutes. Getting the freaking cover back on straight and all that, like 2 hours. It could take a while. So I'm not looking to do it today. I'm just gonna go get the parts or the tools today. I might not even do it tomorrow. I'm thinking tomorrow or later tonight. We have plans tonight, but so maybe not tonight, but I'm thinking tomorrow I'll do my own oil change, which I'm not worried about doing. I just haven't done it. But I could do that, and then I'll do the valve adjustment, or I'll give that a whirl. I don't know if I don't know if I want to make a video of it, just because it's gonna be ugly. I'll tell you. You know, none of my cafe racer build videos or installation videos are how-to videos. They're just, hey, this was me doing it. I'm not an expert, you know. At least not the first time I do it, you know. Like, it's probably going to be engrossing enough to do it. So, I don't know. We're going to see how it goes. At the very least, I needed a feeler gauge, and then I need a 14 and 17 millimeter hex nut thing, which I just checked my toolbox. I don't got two of those, one of those, neither of those. So, yeah. The moo cows are in this yard today, in this field, sitting. It's been raining, so that's the thing. The and nothing against the dealership. Like, it sounded like they were busy. You know, and they know that I when I do contact them to see if I can get a valve adjustment, I always say, you know, I'd like to come up and get it done in the day, because it's 65 miles or something like that. So it's like getting a ride there, or getting a ride back if I leave it for a day, and then, you know, you got to go back and get it. So that is not always ideal. Why do I not know which way I'm supposed to go here? I think I'm almost just stalled. Lol. So yeah, I emailed them. I know it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and I said, like, hey, I know it's crappy weather on Friday. I wanted to see if you guys had any chance on Thursday or Friday or whatever. And they responded back pretty late and said that they did have an opening today and tomorrow as well. I would have gone today, but we have plans later this evening, and I just didn't think that by the time I ride all the way up there and the engine, ooh, a bunny running across the road from the man mowing the lawn. By the time I would have gotten up there and the engine needed to cool down, and then they do the work, and then I ride all the way home, it's like I was not going to make our plans tonight. So I said best case tomorrow, and then I'm thinking more about it. I'm like, dude, maybe this is just a freaking time to just do it myself. And then it's not like I don't mind the ride going up there. I don't even mind the money that I spend to get it done by them. I mean, it's probably like $300, which is not nothing, but it's also like I want to make sure that it's done right, because a lot of this valve and tappet adjustment stuff, And if you know what I'm talking about already, or you know what, is that a fish? No, that was a piece of corn. Interesting. If you know what I'm talking about, it's very like feel based, or so, you know, tightening them or loosening them. I mean, they kind of give some instruction on what you want to do and how you want to do it or whatever, but I've never done it before, so like I don't know what I'm going to be feeling for per se. But you know, it's all right. We'll figure it out, I think. I don't know if I want to try and get it done before Brit Jam. That's one thing too that I'm thinking about. It is currently Thursday. Brit Jam is Sunday, and I wanted to get it done before going to Brit Jam because I didn't want to be anybody who knows the bikes would come in or hear the engine and they'd be like, yep, he needs a valve adjustment, that guy. And I guess it doesn't really matter that much. I don't give a fuck what anybody thinks, because look at this tank. No. That was another thing I wanted. You know, I wanted it to look nice. I will definitely wash, you know, the engine and stuff. I'll give the bike a bath before Sunday. But yeah, I don't know. I'm rambling. Long story short, I don't know if I'm going to try and get it done tomorrow. Maybe I should just do it. Maybe I should just wake up, make some coffee, and do it to it. I think it'd be really nice to be able to do so before I realized I was rambling and shut myself up. I like the ride up to Kent. It's beautiful. I would look forward to doing it again, but in the future, the thing that really bothers me about going up there to get the service done is not the money, but the it's just a whole damn day. And it's like, and you get up there, they have to wait like, you know, and this is just the nature of the beast, it's like 3 hours for the engine to cool off enough so that they can even work on it, you know. So it's like, I don't know, it's a whole damn day. I get up 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning to get there. I try to get there even before they open, because obviously, like I said, the engine needs to cool off. So we do that, you know. And then I probably don't get home until 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, which is fine. But when they texted me and I saw it was almost 11, I'm like, well, I'm not getting there until better part of 1, maybe. Come on, you can do it. If I had a few more days, since I'm taking the tank off, I would frickin' redo this crap here. Ah, man, what if I just do that though? What if I just spend Friday, Saturday, like it is the bike maintenance day, and I actually go crazy and I do the valve adjustment, I change the oil, I clean the got a nod from him, we'll take that. And while I've got the freaking tank off, I sand it down again, give it a quick once over, twice over, and get some good clear coat, because it has been cool recently. I mean, tomorrow it's going to be a rainy day, so but the bike will be in the barn all day, so that's no big deal. What is going on here? Yikes, traffic up ahead, but that's on the highway. We don't care about that. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Yeah, wouldn't that be cool if I did that? Went hard. Got the bike all cleaned up, dolled up for Sunday. Not that it matters, I mean. I will admit, I'm probably being a little overly self-conscious about the state of my tank. I like my tank, and I have the intention to eventually take it off. I don't need to rush it. It's not the end of the world, but when you're going to potentially have hundreds of people walk by and look at your bike that is clearly not the stock, you don't want it to look like crap, you know? So, I don't know. I think we're going to do a little bit of finagling here. Bumpity bump bump. I gotta find a good clear coat product though, because obviously the one that I used wasn't good. Freaking immediately, like this, I've pointed this out before, I don't need to do it again. You can just kind of see it here. Oh, it's all, I mean, it's like, it looks like somebody just like splattered a paintbrush of rust on it on one side here. Not ideal, but for why? Don't like these bumps. Don't like them one bit. Now this is the move, because you go ahead and you just give it a little razzle dazzle, hop, skip, and a jump, dodge, duck, dip, dive, and dodge, give it a little weave. Could really go for an Nardelli sandwich right there right now, but we won't. We'll be a good boy. We are mission oriented today. Oh, Jesus. I don't know if they're going to have the, well, surely they probably will have something along the lines of it. The hex nuts, whatever, to open up this guy down here and then crank the engine manually. Biggest that my toolkit had was 10 millimeter, and I need 14 and 17. So I don't understand why people do this. Why don't you use both lanes? Both lanes are here for the use. You know? I do need to get over to the right eventually, but like all the way at the end of this road, you know? Ain't no thing. I love seeing people do stuff like that when you cut across the left turn lane of the other direction, you know? It's like... We got some Dumbos here. Dumbo 1, Dumbo 2, doing a right on red from the middle lane. Dumb. Slamming on my brakes so much today. Every light. It's happening constantly. Happens a lot. Big Disney fans these folks are. 2 stickers, a license plate, what do you call it, grill. And there we are. Harbor Freight. Harbor Frigate. Harbor Frigate. Frigate height. Frigate. That is all she wrote, ladies and gentlemen. We'll catch you on the next one. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, what the hell are you doing, man? Or lady. Go ahead and ring those bells. Alright. Reel it in, Mitch. Be cool, be cool. Alright. Bye.